In this video, we will learn how to create a vehicle parking management system website using premium source code, because you can easily create a vehicle parking management system website using this premium source code. We can earn money very easily by creating subscription packages on this website. Also, we are getting nice design on our website homepage which will attract our website users very much. We are getting the most powerful admin panel to control this website. We can manage all the features and functionalities of the website through the admin panel. Also, our vehicle management system website has registration facility for every user. Each owner gets their own account panel to manage the vehicle parking management website. Using these features and functionalities, vehicle parking owners can easily manage their accounts because there are all kinds of feature sections for vehicle parking management. Also, vehicle parking garage owners can add manager to manage their website. Managers are getting specific account panel to manage their account. Website managers can easily manage their account and parking systems using these feature sections. We are getting all kinds of features and functionalities for vehicle parking management in this source code. So let us now learn how to create a vehicle parking management system website very easily. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create vehicle parking management system website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also, you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this, we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using Google, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using two international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this, we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow! Now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish vehicle parking management system website online. You can purchase high-quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 64% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can purchase domain hosting using many international payment gateways. You can purchase domain hosting using your preferred payment gateway. We need to submit account information here to make payment. For example, we will now pay by banking card. For this, we need to submit correct card information here. Then we have to confirm the payment by clicking this button. Our payment complete. We will now click on the Start Now button. We can now choose a domain for free. You can choose any domain of your choice. I will now choose any domain of my choice absolutely free. Now we have to click on the Continue button. Then we have to go to the next step. Now we have to submit the domain address information here step by step. Then we have to click on the Finish Registration button. Now click on the Finish Setup. Now we will go to the Hosting Control panel. Wow, we have successfully purchased domain hosting from Hostinger. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 8.1 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we will go to our source code folder. Now we will convert this folder into zip file. Then we will upload this zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Now we need to give permissions to some folders. So now we will learn how to add permissions to folders. For this you have to follow this video completely step by step. Now we need to submit our website name. Then we have to submit the database information here. Now we will learn how to create database in hosting panel. Then we will learn how to connect hosting panel database information to website. For this you have to follow this video completely step by step. Now we have to click on install button. Wow, you have successfully installed the source code. Now our website is fully ready. Now we will learn how to find the admin login information of the website. For this we need to open the documentation file of this source code. Here we can see all the admin login information of the website. For example, I will now log into the admin panel of the website. We know that through the admin panel we can manage all the features and functionalities of the website. If we wish, we can change the default login information in the admin panel of the website. You can change other default login information by following the same procedure. Now you can manage the website very easily through these login information. If you want to create a professional vehicle parking management system website, then definitely purchase this source code, because if you create a website with this source code, you can get all kinds of features to create vehicle parking management system software. If you have any problem in customizing the website or do not understand any features and functionalities of the admin panel, then please contact us and we will help you. Thank you very much to watch this video in full. If you want to watch our next videos, then definitely subscribe the channel.